All right, welcome to the RacingGuide.com. Pat Patterson here. Great to see you as we're off to Kansas for the second half of the chase for the championship. Thanks for stopping by the website. Brought to you by Duralube Engine Treatment. Don't let heat and friction ruin your ride, especially if you've got one of those older model cars. Make sure you take care of that engine. You can get a lot more miles out of it than you think if you use great products like Duralube Engine Treatment. Find it today at finer automotive retail stores around the country and, of course, at everyday low prices at Walmart. Well, yes, this is certainly going to get dicey between here and Homestead Miami Speedway to see who is going to win the NASCAR Sprint Cup Series Championship. This weekend we move on to Kansas Speedway. What a beautiful place. I love this racetrack, love the new casino out over turn number 2 there at the track. It has really turned out to be one of my favorite destinations each and every year. We got a group of guys scrapping at it hard to try to win this championship in the NASCAR Sprint Cup Series. We've already eliminated a few, and who knows, this weekend a few more may get knocked off the list. Traditionally, when we get to this point, the guys that are in the top 5 in the championship standings are the ones that have really got a shot, at the title in Homestead Miami Speedway. In Kansas, tough racetrack. There's little doubt that this is going to be a challenge for everybody this weekend. I talked about it last week with Charlotte. It's all about the mile-and-a-half teams, the guys that really can get their cars dialed in for these mile-and-a-half racetracks. That's who you've got to keep your eye on this weekend when we head over to Kansas. Don't forget race day from 6 to 7 a.m. on ESPN Radio, heard nationwide on more than 390 radio stations, and then join me on the front stretch from 7 until 11 a.m. both Saturday and Sunday Eastern times, where we'll be taking your phone calls and having a lot of fun. So always stop by here at TheRacingGuide.com, brought to you by our friends at Duralube. Follow us at Twitter, and be sure to enjoy the race this weekend. It's going to be a good one from Kansas. I'm looking forward to it. And then, of course, we'll move on next week to the last short track race of the year in Martinsville. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Pat Patterson. We'll see you at the racetrack.